Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips. Today we're going to talk about making yourself your own personal protection mask so when you go out to stores that you won't pick up the virus. So stay tuned. So now the government recommends that everybody wears a mask, but certainly not the masks that are commercially available, because they want all of that to be available to all people who actually really need it. But the general public, they say, should use something like a bandana, in this case a homemade mask. And so what you do is, if you wear it to the store, this way you go shopping, it reduces your risks, and then when you get home you wash it, and then you can use it again another day. So, but make sure you use it once and then you wash it when you're done. And then of course, hand sanitizer on your hands before you ever touch your face. All right, so we start off with a piece of material that is 7 inches. Give or take, it doesn't have to be exact, by 20 inches long. Okay, and then what we do is we fold this in half. This way you have double filtration, so it'll do a better job. You just fold it over like that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to sew the edges all around, and we'll put on elastic bands, and I'll show you that. So this is stuff that Kathy just had laying around. This was an old bed sheet that we just haven't used, so we figured, okay, we'll use that. So so there you go. So we had elastic kicking around. Get these at hobby stores like Michael's or something like that. So but boink. Okay. And you fold the edges over and pin it. Just like that. All right, so we got the edges folded over and pinned. And so it kind of looks like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and sew that way and that way. If you've got a sewing machine, great. If not, you can do this by hand, and then we'll stitch in the elastic bands last. So this is now been hand sewn. As you can see, the stitching all around there. You could use a sewing machine, but sewing by hand works just as well. So now the finished product is a little bit smaller than what we started out with. So it's about 4.5 inches that way, and then around this way it's 8.25 inches. So, which is about what you would want for the average face. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make it so the mask forms a tight seal around your face. So we're going to pleat it.
No, we're going to fold it completely in half, like that, and then we're going to put just about us. We're going to start right here, and we're going to stitch this like this up that way.
As you can see, I'm not the one making the mask.
Well, you can.
No, this is good.
Okay.
Just don't poke yourself. Okay. So you do the same thing on the other side. Let's just go ahead and do that. But right. Then you're going to do the same thing top and bottom.
Just top.
Oh, just top. Okay. Just so it comes around your nose. So what do? You do 2 of them, actually, 2 little pleats, 1 for either side of the nose. This way you get a better seal around your face. Now the second pleat for around the nose. All right, I'll get a little close-up on that. See the pleats. And now the next thing to do is to put the elastic on and make it so it comes around your ears. Now, if you don't have elastic, you can get ribbon or something, sew it on there and make it so you tie it behind your head. But we happen to have this elastic, so it's a lot more convenient just to wrap around the ears. So you're going to have to experiment and get that elastic to the correct size. So you'll have to play with it a little bit, but no big deal. All right, so here you go. We sewed in the elastic, both sides. Okay, it doesn't take any major sewing skills. Kathy is better at it than me. All right. Now the 2 little pleats, that's right. The 2 little pleats go up on your nose. Now here's the tip. Bring the mask up high enough. So if you wear glasses, let me bring that down just a little bit. Make sure the glasses come over the mask. This way you can breathe without fogging up your glasses. Because if you have the mask down here and the glasses are up here, whew, look, it fogs. I don't know if you can see that, but so glasses over, and then it doesn't fog. So it's not bad. It's not uncomfortable or anything. All right, so anyway, so now you got your mask. Don't forget to wash it after each use. You can just wash it in the sink, hand wash it, and then put it up to dry. And this way, the next time you go to the store or something, you're all ready and protected. All right. Look, even Thomas has a personal protection mask. Huh? What do you think about that? So, cool. All right. Until next time, stay safe and virus-free. Happy camping. Bye. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.